many people have been asking me, how do you add moving averages, the indicators to your chart so that you can increase your winning rate? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add moving averages to your trading view account so that you can also start trading cryptocurrencies on either Binance, KuCoin or Bybit. At the end of this video, if you still have any problems or questions, just click the first link, join the Telegram community, and also make sure to follow me on Binance feed. Every day I share my daily trades so that you can also participate and earn passive income with your smartphone. If you have a little of $10, then just practice it with the strategy that I'm about to share with you in this video. This is one of my friend's account. We are going to use it to do the tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to add indicators, how to add your support and resistance, and also add your price prediction tools. So what we want to do is, once you are on your Binance dashboard, click on derivatives. When you click on derivatives, you click on USDT at M features. Okay, then you also go to a website called CoinMarketCap. This is the website that you want to use every single time you are going to enter a particular trade. For you to enter the trade, you first have to select 24-hour time of what is currently happening in the market. You can see Bitcoin is down about 1.9% in the past 7 days, 0.13% in the past 24 hours, and also 0.39% in the past hour. That means people are currently buying BTC. So what you can do is you can go to your Binance features and also buy it. You can see this is what is currently happening. I gave the trade on my Binance feed. That was the day before yesterday, and it really played out. Those who were in my VIP group was able to make a lot of money trading this particular signal, and I also share it on my page for free. So I'm going to show you how to add your moving averages and also how to add your deposit address, all these things. Okay, so it's very important you just follow my instructions. So right now we have $48 in our features wallet. So for us to even do this, let's select the time frame that we are trading. I don't know, but for me, I trade in the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frames. So before we even start, each candlestick is equivalent to 1 hour if you are using the 1 hour time frame. So if I click on 1H here, that means that this candlestick that you are currently seeing have used 1 hour to form. So it uses 1 hour to create. And we have, if I click on the 4 hours or 4H, it means this particular candlestick that you are seeing, the red one here, it have used 4 hours to complete. So for us to add the technical indicators, we just click on the technical indicators bar just opposite the time frame. So I'll click on it here. So let's say I want to add the moving average 50 EMA. So I can just type in moving average here. So once I type in the moving average, you can see it here. So now we have added the moving average. We'll now come here and click on the settings bar here. Then we'll edit it. We are going to add the input. So the input is, the length is 50. Remember, we are using the 50 EMA, the 50 moving average with a smoothness of 50. Okay, then we have the style. So you can change the color. So for me, I usually go with the black color so that I can see it very well. Then we have the smoothness. So we can even increase the smoothness or just remove it. For me, I don't add the smoothness. Then I can now go for the visibility. So for the visibility, you now decide whether you want it to be clear or you want to reduce it as the time goes on. Then we have the 50 moving average. So you can see just the day before yesterday, it was showing a buy signal, and those who really followed my instructions made a lot of money. So I'll advise you, join the Telegram group and follow me on Binance feed. Now that we have added our moving average or our indicator, let's increase it this way so that we can draw our support and resistance zones. Currently we can see that BTC was in a bullish trend for the whole month. So what I'll do is I'll just click on the price prediction tools at the left hand side. Okay, so we have the price prediction tools at the left hand side here, where we can add our entry price, our stop loss, and take profit. But before that, let me add my support and resistance zones using the trend line horizontal one. So we are going to click on it. Now when we click on it, we select the horizontal line. So you select horizontal line here. So after selecting the horizontal line, you make sure you add it to the highest resistance. So we have the highest resistance here. Then you click on it again. We have the support level at this place. Then we add it to the next resistance zone, support, that is here. Then we add it to another support level here, then another support level here. So basically what we are trying to do now is we are going to trade breakout. We call it breakout strategy. So what we want to do is we go to the price prediction tool. Looking at the market right now, you can see we have a push to the upside with a wick. We call it hammer candle just below the wick here. That means buyers are now coming into control. So what we can do now is we can enter a long position with an entry price here, $29,866. So what I'll do is I'll just click on the left hand side, add my price prediction tools using the long position. The reason why we are going for a long or buy position is because of this candle that moved the price to the upside. Just after any pin like this, you could see that the price should reverse to the upside. Look at this particular candle to the same scenario that happened. Then we have this candle that pushed the price to the downside. Then we quickly see this particular thing. So anytime that I have PDFs that I give to my students for them to see all these particular chart patterns. So if you want to learn more about this, I'll advise you just join the Telegram group. So when we click on the long position, now we click here. Then we can set our stop loss to be around $29,500. Usually when Bitcoin moves, it moves about 100 to 200 pips before it stops. So we can use, I usually go with 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. So my next target will be this resistance level at this place, or we can just leave it open. So this is where our target will be $31,650. Then our entry price will be $29,866, and our stop loss will be, we are risking 1% of our account to make 5%. Okay, so that's good for a trader. If you don't even know what you are doing, at least at the end of the day you'll be profitable. So what we can do is we are going to add our stop loss, where our stop loss is around $29,545. So for me to enter this trade, let me just reduce my chart pattern here. So after reducing my chart pattern, now let's go to the order box. We know our entry price to be $29,866. So we are going to change the limit order to market and leave it at cross margin. I always trade with cross margin with the highest leverage. So BTC highest leverage is $125. So I can enter the amount that I want to trade, or I can drag this triangular button at the order box. So when I drag it, you can see that my cost is changing. In Forex we call it lot size, but in crypto we call it margin or amount to invest. So when I click here and I drag it, I can use 5% of my account balance to trade. That is $3.8. That means I'm not over leveraging. So we know our take profit to be around $31,500. So I'll just enter my take profit, $31,500. Then our stop loss will be around $29,500 to $29,500. Okay, then we can enter a buy position. So when you see anytime that we enter a market order, it will appear at the positions where our stop loss and take profit will be at our open orders. Guys, after watching this video, if you still have any problems or questions for me, just comment down below, or you can click the first link, join the Telegram group, and text me on WhatsApp. So this is how you add your technical indicators and also add your support and resistance zones. This is how you do it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Bybit app. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification icon.